Welcome to the 2023 Spikes Pollination Exploration Cheat Guide. On the way in, I've already found 2 of them. Bench shot. Here is one of the spikes. Right outside Butterfly Landing, next to Saliva, is Spike. Put the sticker on. I don't even have them yet. Number 2, before I even get the stickers. Here we go, there's the first one. I'm pretty sure that I know the second one, but I can't remember because I didn't take a picture. I'm pretty sure it was the Saliva one. Over at the Honey Bee-stro, as opposed to the Backlight Bistro. Sorry, I forgot to do this for the other 2. I hope I remember to do it when I'm leaving. By Guardians of the Galaxy, near Mission Space, kind of close to Test Track, is Donald and Daisy Duck, their Topiaries, and Spike. If you found Donald and Daisy, you might have already found this first, but really close to spinning around here. Spike. So over in the UK, there he be. There's a better look at it. The next spike is in France, which is very easy to find. I found it without even really trying. However, zooming on it without being shaky, apparently not so easy. So if you enter Morocco from this direction or the other direction, you'll see there's Spike with Pepper. This is in the Spice Garden. If you're entering from Japan, just keep walking through the area to get to the Spice Garden. Japan, once you enter, head in this direction. Once you arrive, go up this pathway. I'm going to speed this up and hopefully it won't look terrible. Over here in Merca, next to the Has-Been stage, it's the same spot it was last few years. There's Spike. Continuing in Italy, this one's really easy unless you walk in from the wrong direction like I did and had to get some help from a cast member. It's on that side. Again, if you're walking from Germany, very easy to find. There's Spike. Would have spotted him right away if I was walking in the other direction. I believe Germany doesn't have a single spike in it. Also none in Don't Call It Africa. Now over to China. Heading in this direction. There appears to be no spikes in Norway. Hopefully I don't regret saying that, but it looks like it. So apparently the pavilion that most people start, I and mine, but there's Spike. Again over here. You get Orchid and Spike. Here are the gifts, spoilers. And there you go, that's it. I'm still not sure if I'm going to edit this in a more consistent, logical order or just rely on chapter markers, because man, I did not do this in an order at all. I don't know what's wrong with it. Plus I also forgot the stickers sometimes, sorry about that. So hopefully you enjoyed this guide despite its inconsistencies. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit to the gift shop. This first one, I'm pretty sure that I know the second one. There we go. Yeah, we're getting there. And there's another one. Well, now that I made it to Italy, I remembered I never did put the pepper on the map. Nothing in China, however, I just realized I never put the sticker on for Japan. I believe that's all for the World Showcase. I'm going to go back to the butterfly house. I'm pretty sure that's the saliva one. And then I just have to, I'll use my shadow. Download. Now I know where that is. 2 more to go. I'm not really sure where Donald Dizzy is, but there you go. Just need to find Prehistoric Gardens.